Hello, in part 8 I'm going to show how to make an AI bot fire FX. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, UE4 Mannequin, Mesh, double click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton. Right click the pelvis and add socket. This will create the pelvis socket. This is the new one I just created, which I'm going to delete. When you're done, save. Under Content, First Person Shooter, double click AI Bot Pair. This is the blueprint that needs to be programmed. You need to create the fire parameter. Click the plus variable, name it fire. For variable type, search for blueprint effect fire. To create spawn actor, right click, search for spawn actor from class. For class, search for blueprint effect fire. I'll delete this because it's already created here. Socket name is pelvis socket. For location, snap to target. Rotation is snap to target. New anim to play is death_1. This delay is 2.06, that's the length of the death animation. This destroys the fire actor. And this destroys the AI bot character. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test.
Help.